Last night, SpaceX's Starship experienced a catastrophic failure just 10 minutes after launch. The explosion was likely caused by a structural failure in the Super Heavy booster during stage separation. Initial data suggests that excessive aerodynamic stress and unexpected engine anomalies contributed to the issue. As the booster attempted its flip maneuver for a controlled descent, telemetry showed rapid loss of stability, leading to its destruction. Meanwhile, the Starship upper stage continued for several minutes, but engineers noticed propellant flow irregularities and possible damage from debris. Eventually, onboard safety systems triggered a rapid, unscheduled disassembly RUD to prevent uncontrolled descent. Despite the failure, SpaceX considers this launch a success, gathering crucial flight data to improve future missions.